y'all.
Damn, nigga.
Damn, right?
Nigga almost hit the camera.
We back again with another video, son. You know what I'm saying? So let me just say this real quick, man. We did a bang bang shrimp video.
Bow.
You know what I'm saying? We did a lobster roll video.
Bow.
So y'all should already know what we was gonna do next, bro. We doing some crab cakes, son. So we gotta stick with the whole seafood thing for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna lie, bro. When I was a kid, I did not like crab cakes at all for some reason. I just thought it was just so nasty. Either it was so nasty or someone who made them didn't know how to cook, bro. And my phone ringing. It's grandma. I'm not gonna pick up right now. I love you, grandma. Or it was just like so freaking nasty, you know what I'm saying? But you hear my voice crack?
Did you say Oreos?
No.
What did you say?
I don't know what I said. Oreo was just like so freaking nasty, you know? They didn't know how to cook, but I do. Yeah, little flex, you know what I'm saying? A little flex, you know what I'm saying? But like I was saying, crab cakes, man, they're like really good low-key if someone knows to cook it right. So that's what we're making today. So let me show y'all what we're using for this meal right here in this next clip right now. Alright, bro, let's go ahead and get straight to it, bro. So alright, so to make crab cakes, man, of course we're going to need some actual crab meat. We're not using none of that artificial crab, you know what I'm saying? But hey, don't sleep because those things are low-key good. But yeah, so right now we're using lump. You can use claw meat, but I'm gonna keep it a buck. That's all they really had, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, besides that, bro, we're gonna be adding some chives to it. So basically what we're gonna do is like chop it up in little pieces and basically use it for garnish. There ain't nothing really too special with it, you know what I'm saying? But of course, right beside it, bro, we got some 2 eggs, and this is gonna be our biting agent to kind of help keep everything together, you know what I'm saying? We also got something else to kind of keep it together, but beside the eggs, we got some Worcestershire sauce. However you say it, bro, I don't know how to say it, but yeah, this is gonna be a great way to like add a little bit of saltiness in our crab cakes, you know what I mean? But yeah, bro, so besides that, bro, we got some panko. So you probably wondering why I ain't using regular breadcrumbs. Well, because panko has like a little bit of lighter taste than actual breadcrumbs, and plus usually people when they frying seafood, they're gonna use panko, you know what I mean? But yeah, dog, so like besides panko, bro, we're gonna be sitting here rocking with some Dijon mustard. So alright, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a buck with y'all. So basically our Dijon mustard, its only job is to give our crab cakes that typical crab cake taste. So basically it's gonna give it that zanginess that what is like crab cakes, you know what I'm saying? So besides that, bro, we're gonna use some lemon. And no, we're not juicing this, trust me, you do not want that, bro. With this lemon, we're just gonna only thing we're gonna do in is zest it. We're just gonna get that outside pieces of it. I'm so sorry. So yeah, bro, so besides that, man, we're gonna be using this horrible thing, which is mayonnaise, bro. Like, I'm trying to tell you, I cannot stand mayonnaise, but it has an important function in our dish. It basically is going to be the binding agent that basically really keeps everything together, you know what I'm saying? Also, unfortunately, we're going to be needed to make our sauce. And so yeah, man, you're going to need like a great little bit of this, you know what I mean? So yeah, so before y'all guys come at me, let me just go and tell y'all what we also adding is some lemon juice. So yes, you probably wondering, Dawn, why you got a lemon and lemon juice? Well, simply, bro, I'm trying to save myself a big waste of like time, because why would I juice a lemon? Well, I could just get lemon juice. But yeah, besides that, bro, man, we're gonna be adding some little heat to it, which is some Texas Pete sriracha. So this is gonna really give our crab cakes a little more extra kick, you know what I'm saying? But speaking of kick, I know y'all seen that shit in the background. We got some takis, son. We got some takis, boy. You know what I'm saying? So like, reason why I'm using takis because it's like in crab cakes, people use a lot of filler. You know what I'm saying? A lot of filler. And so sometimes people use like crackers or wherever they just feel like using. And so I just figured, hey, why not use takis? And so the reason I'm also using takis is because they have that weird little limey, like peppery taste. You know, I'm not really a too big fan of takis, but I just thought, yo, this joint would be busting if we add some like takis as the filler. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is gonna be an experience for like both of us, y'all. So let's hope this don't turn out fire. So like, yeah, dog, this is how we rocking, man. So like, we have our one lemon. I like how we just got one lemon that's hanging out like throughout this whole thing. But yeah, so we got one lemon. I had to throw that in there. Some Dijon mustard, some Duke mayonnaise, some panko, lemon juice, sriracha, not just regular sriracha, some Texas Pete sriracha, some takis, egg, Worcestershire sauce, and our crab meat, bro, and also some chives. So let's get right into the video, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, welcome back and stuff like that. And so, like, really, bro, crab cakes is like dummy easy to make. The only thing you really need to do is separate like your wet mixture and your crab cake mixture. You know what I'm saying? I say crab cake mixture, your crab meat mixture. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you just want to make those things like just come together and become one. You know what I'm saying? That kind of hurt, nigga. Damn. But yeah, so that's really about it. So like, what we about to do right now is we just about to just cut up our crab meat. You know what I'm saying? It's already cut up. We're gonna open up the can. All right, I'm not gonna lie. We had a whole dumbass moment. I did not record me opening up the cans and talking about it. So let's go ahead and cut right into the B-roll. You know what I mean? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab your chives, dice up those babies up, and throw in a bowl. This is gonna be our liquid bowl, right? So then you're gonna grab yourself an egg, crack that thing up, and then once you crack your egg into the bowl, you're gonna get your Worcestershire sauce, right? You're gonna pour a couple like tablespoons in, but then once you do that, you're gonna throw some lemon zest in it for like flavoring. You know what I'm saying? So once you do that, bro, honestly, I forgot about this. I really just did that to piss y'all off. But yeah, so you're gonna add some lemon juice. You just want like a little splash, you know, so you don't want to be overbearing. So once you do that, you're gonna add some sriracha to it. And like I said, it's gonna be our kick in our whole crab cakes. And so once you add all those like liquid ingredients into it, this we're gonna start adding our mayonnaise. So you just basically want like 2 or 3 tablespoons of it. And once you do that, bro, only thing you really gotta do is whisk it up until you get like a smooth texture like this. And so once you start looking like this, bro, you start adding your crab meat into it and then your takis. And so basically what I did with my takis, I just crushed it by hand, but you can use a food processor if you want to, but don't worry about that. So anywho, that's when you start adding your panko to it. And so let me tell you like a little trick, right? So when you're making crab cakes, you don't want to add all your filler at once, right? So what you want to do is you want to add little by little because you don't want your crab cakes to be dry. Of course, obviously you want it to be moist. So what you do is if it's still liquidy, that's when you start adding by little, and then eventually once you do that, you get a nice little firm texture because you want it to hold its shape while it's cooking so it won't break apart, but also at the same time be moist when you eat into it. So basically, once you do that, bro, you just want to form it up. And so forming it up is kind of like forming up a meatball or like a small little like burger patty. You just want like a little small shape, right? And so once you do that, you get a couple teaspoons of vegetable oil, throw it in the pan, and start cooking up your crab cakes. And so remember, you want to cook it in batches for it could cook evenly and for it won't be like a whole mess, right? So while your crab cakes is cooking, we can start working on our sauce. And so basically, our sauce is going to consist of Dijon mustard and some ground cinnamon for a little bit of sweetness. And then once you do that, you want to add some mayonnaise. This is kind of going to be your base of your sauce, right? Basically, kind of like 2 tables should do it. And once you do that, bro, you're going to start adding some lemon juice for a little bit of tanginess. And then once you add some lemon juice, you're going to add some black pepper. It's going to kind of give it a little bit like a peppery taste. Then add some paprika for some spice and whisk it up. And so I think there's a little bit of chives for like some extra color and stuff like that. So yeah, let's get right back to the video, y'all. What's up, everybody? You know, so we're back at it, you know what I'm saying? So we just got done making our crab cakes, making our sauce, forming up our crab cakes, throwing it in the pan. So y'all already know what is left to do. It's to eat the thing, you know what I'm saying? So this is how we looking, man. The crab cakes right there, man. The Taki, it's not your average crab cake, it's a Taki crab cake, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really a big fan of Takis, but I still like them and I still enjoy them. But also the little sauce is like I guess like, I don't really know what type of sauce it really is, but I just add a bunch of cool stuff into it. So let's go ahead and try this thing. So first of all, let's break this thing apart. Look how that joint is like, you see it's a crab cake, bro. Nice little juiciness in it. So I'm gonna try it. Hold up. Bro. That thing is good, son. You know what I'm saying? Like, it really tastes like the regular taste of a crab cake. But it's also that like that spicy tanginess from the takis, bro. And that joint hits, bro. And the sauce, I really just threw whatever in it. Kind of reminds me of like tartar sauce a little bit. But I still got like a little tanginess, but like overall, that thing good, son. Hold on, bro. Like, you really taste like the takis in it, but still the crab meat in it, bro. That going fire, son. So we got done making some shrimp. We got done making some lobster. We got done making some crab. What else you want? You want a fish? I got y'all. So down in the comments, let me know what y'all want to see next. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you like crab cakes, if you don't like crab cakes. Let me know what's your favorite crab cake recipe. You know what I'm saying? So besides all of that, but also the full recipe in the description box below. So besides saying all that, bro, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe. All that fun stuff you check out the next video. So, catch you on this video, y'all. Let's get it.
You know I just can't end it.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Just to make sure you ain't lying or nothing. You know,
I'm big cat, man. This shit nasty as fuck.
Shut up, nigga.
This one really said that shit.